Hey, sneekylinux back here. I've been away for the weekend. So I'm back. Today we have Siduction. Riders on the Storm, baby. Oh yeah, Siduction based on Debian. Oh yeah. Now this one is with the XFCE interface, okay? Oh, by the way, it's a release candidate. Do not use, and that's in German as well. Okay, release candidate. So some things don't actually work very well. Right, on installation, so hardware installed, by the way. On installation, I had to do quite a bit of work, about 10-15 minutes work, to get all my audio working. It was like going back 5 years, you know, when things didn't used to work in the audio world. I know how things have changed. Okay, but remember, it is a release candidate, so I'm not too worried totally. Okay, quick look around for you. I've got my on and off or shutdown button. That's my time. This is my CPU I'm using here. Is what it's doing, which is quite a lot, for the simple reason I'll tell you in a minute. Okay. As you can see, I've got a little sound icon, which is my sound recorder. Yes, my sound recorder's working, because I still can't get the bleeding audio to work in Record My Desktop, which is recording the video. So to make sure I get the video done, I'm just going to have to do them all together separately, and then splice them together at the end, okay? Yeah, so that's why it's doing a bit more work than normal. Normally, it really tumbles along at 2-3%, uses about 160 mega RAM, and it's hunkily dov-the-doried. Yes, lovely jubbly. Anyway, up to my menu. It's the usual XFCE stuff, okay, so we'll go back XFCE first, and it's 4.10, as you can see, because it's got a little bar at the bottom, and it's rather nice. I might like a different theme personally, but remember, it's only a release candidate, so don't expect too much, really, please, just yet. Once I've got a full release, it'll be hunky-dory, yeah. I did actually try the Razer QT version, but the installer just didn't want to work, so I didn't bother doing it and got this one instead. Yeah, that was last week. Actually. I was done the Razer one. I just got this one today. They have been out for what's the date today? They've been out about 5-6 days now. So yeah. Anyway, where was we? Well, on your desktop, normally if it's just a live CD, you'll get the install section, and it installs via a web page. Okay, but it doesn't, if you know what I mean. But all the stuff's done through there. It is not for newbies or beginners. Okay, unless you want a lot of work, it's for intermediate upwards. I will tell you that straight away. But once you've got it running, it runs fast and nice, okay? Another little moan I'm going to have now is when you install, you get the option to use the non-free contributory stuff in different repositories. Well, that actually didn't work for me, so yeah, bit of a bummer. Anyway, settings manager, apart from all that stuff there. It's usual XFC, so you've got gparted there, your garage preferences, and as you can see, you've got Synaptic down here, which I've actually installed myself. You have to install it yourself. Before you can actually install Synaptic, you have to update it via the terminal. You know, so it's sudo apt-get update, whatever. Yeah, you know the one I mean. Yeah, that one. And you can update it, and then you can install Synaptic, so that's lovely. Accessories, you get quite a bit here. Even Midnight Commander. Midnight Commander, I hear you cry. Yes, Midnight Commander. You get Central View and your Task Manager, yeah. I mean, I could open it up. I've got one up there working, anyway, so I won't bother doing that. And you get Zoom Desktop Wiki. Under development, you get iSape. Now, I've installed iSape. I'll come to another moment in a minute. I've installed the iSape suite, okay? And I'll show you why in a minute. Under graphics, you get a PDF viewer, ImageMagick, Image Viewer, Restato, and Exained image scanning program. All works nicely with my printer, which is the Hewlett-Packard combined 4200, whatever it is, 4200, well, it's something like that. Okay, under Internet, you get Seni. Chromium is the default browser, as you can see from the bottom, link on the bottom. E-links. The iSape stuff I've installed myself. That goes directly to their IRC stuff. And you get XChat for IRC and Extra Browser Launcher. I'm not even going to go there. Right, under multimedia, normally there wouldn't be this much here, but I've installed Pulsar to get the audio working correctly, because I just didn't want to play ball with this USB microphone. If I'd been using the front microphone, crap, it'd been alright. But, you know, USB, it takes a bit more. Maybe when the full release comes, they'll sort all that out, okay? And you can see the sound recorder I've had to install myself as well, which is from the GNOME suite, okay? Yeah, from the GNOME suite. So that's quite a bit, that's why it was 10-15 minutes extra work. Okay, Office, Abbey, Word, Generic, a dictionary, a document viewer, I've already said, and a Raj. Under System, get your stuff for your modem, which you probably won't need to use. HTOP is here. Hello, HTOP, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Okay, so we click on HTOP. As you can see, it's using a bit of CPU at the moment, but then I've got the 2 programs running. That's the main reason why, okay? And this is not too much RAM, actually, but if it's idling, it's like near enough 100 to 160 megs, so that's quite good, really. Yeah, well, I thought it was. Yeah, don't you think so? Well, I do. Anyway, you can install to USB if you so wish to do so. Get the kernel remover if you want to do some real work, okay? Report a bug to Debian, Sensor View, Siduction bugs, Synaptic Package Manager, again, Task Manager. Well, I'm going to open that one because I already opened one for you, which was HTOP, the terminal, and Thunar for your file manager. I'll quickly go down here, so we have another moan. Okay, terminal's fine. your web browser, which is Chromium. Watch, here we go. This happened the last time I got Siduction as well. The last time, which was like 6 months ago. As soon as you try to open the browser, once you've installed it, you have to go into your profile using, to me this is home sneaky config and Chromium, and do that and delete that bloody folder there, singleton lock. And then Chromium will work. Well, we shouldn't have to do that, really, should we? No, we shouldn't. But it's a release candidate. Do not use in production. Okay. So we'll quit that. And that's why I installed iSape. You also get your music player, which is Xnoise, as I said before. IRC chat was XChat. Right, Abbey Word. This is not so much of a moan as a bit of a look, shall we say. Right, Abbey Word is 292. Right, that is not the most stable version at the moment, okay? Sometimes, for some people, not for me, if you try to work on Microsoft documents or even LibreOffice documents, it will go boom and ruin your document, okay? So you may be better to go back and install the 286, which is the preferred stable version, and that will make it all hunky-dory for you, okay? Yes, indeed. You get slow machine numeric? Yeah, go on then, why not? Yeah? That's all right then, nice and quick, lovely. And that works lovely, always works, no problem whatsoever, okay? Oh, what else was I going to show you? I remember, it's all come back to me. So open the menu, it's up here, blah, 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 blah. We're going to go down to Internet, and we're going to open up our iSape browser. Dun, 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 dun. And I've made Google my homepage. I'm going to quickly go over to the tube for a simple reason. I wanted to install the non-free flash codec, okay? So as the repository was enabled, I thought, oh, what can I do to show you something a bit different? Well, I thought, how's Ganesh doing, you know? Ganesh, yeah, the open free source. You've seen the guy who develops that. He's got a beard, man. He's a really nice guy. So I put me in. Okay. There's me. La, 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 la. I'm going to go to an odd vidvo. Well, it doesn't really matter one we go to, really, does it? So we just go to Solus. That'll do. Now, will it play using Ganesh? Well, it wants you to use Flash. But hang on a minute. Oh my god, Ganesh is actually working on the tube. Right, it will do 360 and 480, okay? But 720 no, and you can't full screen it. Okay, that's the only big difference really. But it does work, so it proves they're getting along and working. So you can watch your Flash stuff if you really want to. Also, my CPU's going, woohoo, give me some work. So I'll get rid of that. That's not the CPU's doing any work. Blah, blah, blah. So as you can see, I've had a bit of a moan there, haven't I? I can G-parties there as well and take your screenshot. I've had quite a bit of a moan, and I don't like moaning about distros, but it is a release candidate, and I just really want to show you. Now, normally I wouldn't rate this, and I'm not going to rate it, but if I was going to, it'd be below 70, I'm afraid. But that's because it's a release candidate, do not use in production, and in German as well, because they're from Germany, by the way. Okay, yeah. So anyway, Siduction is really, really, really fast, and it's really nice to use. If only I could get them few little bits and bobs sorted out before the main release, lots and lots of people would be happy. But if they don't, okay, it'd be for intimate users and above only. So I like it though. Sneaky Linux out. I see you later. Bye bye.